just got a food package. Got a ill member of the family. Just wanted to show you really quick what they gave in the food package. So they gave some bread, some cereal, not much, a little bit of tea bag, chocolate. It's not really essential, that's luxury. Bananas, 2 oranges, cucumber, eggs. This, I really like this. Innocent, yeah. Green one, and a red one. Fruit, cordial, grapes, lettuce. What is this? That's orange juice. That's apple juice. Sponge. What is it called? Sorry, potatoes. I got 10 of them. 1 lemon, 6 tomatoes, 2 apples, 2 garlics. What is this? Sugar. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's more of these. I really like these. Innocent blue spark. Yeah. I've got 2 of them. What's the flavor? Guava, pineapple, apple, and blueberry spirulina with vitamins. Yeah. What's this? Fruit cocktail. Wow. What's this? Long life semi-skim milk. I got 2 of them. Yeah, and I got passata. Yeah, I think that's one. Yeah, that's the first box. Second box is 2 toilet rolls. Peanut butter, biscuit, digestive, toothpaste, 2-in-1 shower gel, shampoo. Basmati rice, classic basmati. Where's this from? Sainsbury's, or I don't know. I know I've got 2 of them. See the other one down there. Pasta. Okay. Washing up liquid fairy. I've seen the toilet paper, the only toilet rolls. I've got just lots of tin stuff. Oh wait, what is this? Custard cream. Sorry, not custard cream. Sorry, custard. I got 2 of these, I remember. And what is this? Yogurt. I've got 2 of these, 2 different flavors. Just get this out of the way. And that. Raisins. I love these. There's 4 of them. Yeah. And soap. Yeah, 1 box, 1 bar. Yeah, and a mackerel. Sweet corn. I know we've got 2 sweet corns, 2 baked beans, chickpeas. Just want to have a look at it. I know chopped tomato. I don't know. I think we've got 2 chopped tomatoes. Cream of tomato soup. I've got 2 of them. Mushroom. I know a mushroom soup. We've got 2 of them. Chicken soup as well. So that's the beans. Sliced carrots. 2 of them. I know. Sweet corn. 2 of them. Vegetable soup. I think there's 2 of them. 2 of everything basically. Chicken. I'm not gonna have that though. Soup. 2 of them. And tuna. Tuna chunks. 2 of them. And I say it's not bad. It is not bad. I don't know. I think this is, I don't know, 40, maybe 50, maybe 60 pound. I don't know. Worth of goods. Yeah, it's not bad, and we're very grateful. And there you go. See all of it.